This baby's gonna start up. It's 21 degrees or something like that. That's not. We're just warming up now. Let's see. But 208.9 hours. That means it's worn out. We gotta go get another one. This it's not equipped with any starting aids or anything. No glow plugs, no nothing. Just that piloted fuel injection. Hey, you got smoke. Trans cold. That's the first time I ever seen that. Trans cold. That's pretty neat. I've never seen that before. Wonder if 208, 14 volts, trans cold. Yeah, I know it's cold. 14, 208, trans cold. Menu. Nah, that's a job timer. I don't want to worry about that. See, that's one of the cool things about the Series 60 is we can, oh, it's 34 degrees now. Oh, I got sidetracked. The Series 60, you know, we can plug the reader in. We can monitor all the temperatures. Bump it up a little bit more. The way the calibration is set up with this engine, its maximum torque is at 1300 RPM. Of course, now I probably shouldn't have started it up, but oh well. Thanks for watching, and God bless.